what? Hey, yeah.
Go for it. Yes, go.
Good eel. Yes, good eel. Good eel, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Nathaniel.
I'm Jed.
And we are all for survival. Well, part of it.
Yes, half of it.
Today we are in the rainforest doing some ultimate fishing. We're going to be targeting monster eels in the smallest creek you can think of.
They get huge.
The biggest one we've got out of here is 117 centimeters and about this thick. It was a monster.
We had to swim to catch it. It was just running downstream. We couldn't stop it. It got tangled in logs, everything, but we did end up landing it.
Yep.
And hopefully we can show you guys some of this content today.
So hopefully we'll be able to do some sight casting on eels too, and we'll get some good footage for you guys to see it. So let's do it, guys. First cast, guys,
Here we go.
with red scred. So you can see the sausage is sinking. Way! Way! That was a close one, guys.
Hold on. I just saw half of it disappear. And then it's back in it. I don't know. There's a phone.
What?
There's a phone. Just there. Just there. It's a phone.
Is that an iPad? Hang on.
Oh, hey.
Wait, can we go on? Oh.
Okay, guys.
So I think we found a phone.
I was looking around, just waiting for the fish to bite, and there's a phone in there. You can't see it.
I think it might be an iPad.
It might be an iPad, guys.
I'm gonna see if I can.
It's definitely an Apple product, I think.
So we found a phone.
Or an iPad.
We don't really know what it is.
It's definitely a device, guys.
Yeah, it
look
looks-
at me. Look at me.
It looks like a device.
It's 100% a device because it's got. What?
Pulling out the big guns, guys.
Here we go.
Flippin' Henry. I hope an eel doesn't bite my top.
Hold on, you can see it just there. There we are. I've got it. I can see it actually really
Just
well.
keep it on that. I'm gonna do something.
So,
I'm gonna put my rod at it and see
that's
if I
the
can
phone, guys. 6-foot rod, and it's just able to reach.
Flipping phones in.
I have no idea, Thaddy. This has turned into the weirdest fishing trip ever. I love this. We're going out for lunch after this, and Nathaniel's up in here. Where there is a will, there is a way. Guys, this is the funniest thing. Not even kidding. How long have we been here? 15 minutes? I look around, catch of the century. A PHONE. All that breeze.
We went through west. This is smart here, remember? 3, 2, 1. Come on, let's go. Alright, come with me. Come with me. Yeah. So make the funniest content. Come with me.
Okay.
Is it out?
Yeah, that's not what I want. Yeah, let's go.
We found an iPad, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, good on you, Richard. Oh.
Give you some. If they give us a single moment.
Oh.
Ooh.
Look at that, guys. iPad. Unbelievable.
And it's like minus.
It's a bit keep going. But it's an iPad nonetheless.
Guys, what we just did is we, as you probably know, we saw this. We thought it was a phone. It was an iPad. It was sticking out that way, I think, because it was short-ish. I'm just gonna wash it off. I think it's an. Oh, I don't know.
It's one of the old iPads. It's one of the first ones.
Yeah.
Because I know what they look like. So yeah, that's definitely spiced things up, guys. For sure. Sorry the camera's shaking, I'm just flopping freezing. But yeah. Hope we find some eels. And we'll see how we go. Alright, show us the new condition.
Alright, mate. She is she's a real beauty. Bargain.
Show us the screen.
So
That is
that's the
one
screen.
done screen.
Yep.
Alright, show us the back.
That's the back. It looks.
Yeah,
fine
I
from
think
the
that's
back.
the original iPad.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure it is, because usually
right.
they say.
16 gigabyte.
Yeah, that's the original iPad, I reckon.
I've heard.
Boy, that'll be worth a bit one day.
Not in this condition though.
No. Well, maybe not that much, but a couple of dollars. Alright, well,
Designed by Apple.
we'll try and catch some eels, guys, and we'll see you guys when we do that.
Oh, yeah.
So, guys, we just found that iPad, and good old Red Squid managed to get it out, so good on him. But, oh yeah, I gave him moral support by jumping in.
And you did help. Yeah, I wouldn't have jumped in if you hadn't. And you did help me with like I told him to get my like you spoke and something to it up.
Yep. So now we're just gonna check our rods in, see if we can catch a stonker eel.
we have very low chances at the moment.
If we can't though, we'll just start heading down the creek and find some new spots. So let's do it. Alright, when it has it, strike. Wait until it fully has it. Go for it. Yes, go! Strike, Jed, strike! He's got an eel on. Yeah, Jed. Oi. Jed's on. Alright, landing time. He's got it! Yay! There we go, guys. Got the eel. Nice one, Red Squid. Oh, that's great. First eel, here we go.
Right, guys, Nathaniel's just on.
I've got an eel on.
We got ya.
I'll get stabilised and get my rod too, Jim.
Alright,
It's not a bad one.
I've got to go back a bit. Sorry, guys.
Alright, we're going to try and land it. Ready?
Go, Than. Just lead her it in. Hooked in the corner of the mouth.
Oh, no.
Get it, Than. Just get it.
There we go.
Yes, mate. I'm Scottish.
Keep coming.
Yeah, nice.
Oh my.
Nice one.
Alright, keep filming, keep filming. There we go. Get a whole shot. Have you got a full shot?
Yep.
Wait, we'll take a picture.
Alright, guys, we're just going to take a picture and we'll see you when
Hang on.
releasing it.
He's well hooked right in the corner.
Yep. Alright, we've probably got to go now then.
Yeah, we're going to take a picture. Alright, take a picture. Wait, I need a wide... As you can see, I've got my rod. Alright, don't diss me. It is a child rod, but that's fine. I love it. It's sort of my bush bashing combo when it's all muddy and everything's dirty. Nothing serious, but yeah, it's just been raining heaps. See how we go. Hoping to get something. Take it to my spot. Shit, yeah. Got no tackle. Just got my one hook. It's sort of like a little challenge, really. One hook, one rod, pickaxe. That's all I've got today. If you're wondering why I'm using the pickaxe, well, let's just say it's gonna be my worm hunter. Alright, so here we go, guys. We've made it. Cannot say how I got here because it's a secret location that only a few of my friends know about. You know, gotta preserve the fish. But yeah, here we go, guys. This is it. It's quite a nice place, really. So, first thing we're gonna do now, guys, is dig for some worms. That's all I'm gonna be using today, just worms. So, yeah, let's do it. Let us begin. So I'll just do some digging here. Let's see if we can't find a couple of worms. It's so good having this big pickaxe. You can just really... Oh, now we're talking. Look at that. Straight away, guys. Nice, lovely, juicy worm. Perfect bait. Here we go. There's another one. Little guy. Doesn't seem like a terrible spot to find worms here, actually. Oh, another one. Ripper. Oh, look at that. Nice. Good hook size. Not bad. Bit bigger would be nice, but not complaining about that. Oh, look at that. Nice. It's a bit thicker. That's a really good size. That's what we want to be getting. Right, we got our worms, which is good. So I'm just gonna take you on this little path you haven't seen before. Spider Dam. Just be quiet so we don't scare any surface fish. But mate, we had to whack through some of this lantana. Oh, look at this. It's just so nice being in nature. Bird flying up above. Anyways, look at this. The floor. Right, we had to dig out roots. We had to cut through all this. It's pretty hectic. There we go. Here is the main fishing location. Then the last one, I like to just thread it all the way through like this, so it's all the exposed hook at the end is covered up by worm. And there's the final product, guys. Look at that. That's gonna get chomped for sure. Here we go. That'll do. I'm just going weightless today, guys. Just because it's not a big water hole whatsoever. It's pretty small. Alright, I got a little seat here, so I'll just sit here. Now we just wait, really. I've just noticed these reeds have started to move. Hopefully they'll go again. But it seems like there's a fish at the bottom of them. Not surfacing at the moment, but yeah, there's definitely a fish down there. No hits yet on the worms. Oh, come on line. Come on line, here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go.
good eel. Yes, good eel. Good eel, guys. Yep. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Good eel. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. You ripper. Good eel. Oh, that's got to be a good 60 centimeters, guys. Oh, wow. Just as I was saying, the reeds were moving, and this thing just comes and just starts taking it. She's not a bad one either. Look at that. You beauty. Nice deal, guys. Oh, biggest deal in here for sure. That fought hard. Had pretty tight drag too. Oh, yes, hooked right in the top of the mouth, so it will be easy to get out. Ah, beauty. Oh, wow. Don't get tangled. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. Snap the line. Flip. Snap the line. No, no, no. The hook's still in it. Ah. Oh, wow, she's hungry. Oh, wow. All right. I just really want to get this hook out. She snapped the line, but the hook's just in the top of her mouth. Oh, strong. They're unbelievable. I can hardly hold it. My hands are absolutely covered in eel slime. Absolutely covered. It's pretty thick, this little one. Like, probably. Oh, there we go. Got it, guys. Got the hook out. Oh, all right. Let's release this guy. Wow, that was a good fight, mate. You're very strong, I can tell you that. Alright. Way! Whoa! Alright, here we go. Off you go, mate. Off you go. There you go. Off you go. There you go. There he goes. Oh, wow. Cool beans. Whoa! Sliding down. We did it. We got the hook out just before it escaped. The line snapped. Look at my hands. That is all. Don't know if you can tell, but that's just slime. Slime mixed in mud. It's all wrapped. Yeah, I wasn't planning to get my hands all slimy, but you gotta do what you gotta do, guys.